Ever wondered that? It's a question that pops up frequently, especially for those considering StashAway as a platform to invest their money. In this video, we'll delve into the cash rate, how it works, and why it's important to understand. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a cash rate? It's essentially the interest rate that financial institutions, like banks and investment platforms, pay on your cash deposits. Think of it as the reward you get for entrusting your money to them. In the context of StashAway, the cash rate is the interest you'll earn on your money before it's invested in various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's a crucial factor to consider, as it directly impacts the overall returns you can expect from your investment. StashAway's cash rate. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What is StashAway's cash rate? Well, it's not a fixed number. Instead, StashAway's cash rate is dynamic and fluctuates based on several factors, including market conditions. When interest rates rise, StashAway's cash rate tends to increase as well. Conversely, when rates fall, the cash rate may decrease. Central bank policies. The decisions made by central banks, like the Federal Reserve or the Bank of England, can significantly influence market interest rates and, consequently, StashAway's cash rate. StashAway's internal policies. While external factors play a major role, StashAway also has its own internal policies that can affect the cash rate. These policies may involve things like liquidity management and risk mitigation. Why is cash rate important? Understanding StashAway's cash rate is essential for several reasons. Expected returns. The higher the cash rate, the more interest you'll earn on your money before it's invested. This can contribute to higher overall returns over time. Risk management. Cash can serve as a buffer during market downturns. If you have a significant portion of your portfolio in cash, you may be less affected by market volatility. Investment strategy. The cash rate can influence your investment strategy. If you're seeking higher returns, you may be more inclined to invest your money in riskier assets. However, if you're risk-averse, a higher cash rate can provide comfort. How to check StashAway's cash rate? To find out the current cash rate for StashAway, you can visit their website or mobile app. They typically provide this information in their terms and conditions or on their FAQ page. Alternatively, you can contact their customer support for the latest update. In conclusion, StashAway's cash rate is a dynamic number that's influenced by various factors. Understanding how it works and why it's important can help you make informed decisions about your investments. By keeping an eye on the cash rate and considering it in conjunction with your overall financial goals, you can optimize your StashAway experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.